You're doing everything right, but for some reason, she's pulling away. Ever wonder why the connection starts fading out of nowhere? What if I told you there are 3 deadly mistakes that men make without even realizing it? And the worst part, 99% of men keep making the number 2 mistake. In this video, we're revealing those critical mistakes and how to avoid them before it's too late. Stay tuned. This could change everything in your relationship. Number 1 mistake, being too available. Let's start with a big one, being too available. When a woman senses that you're always there for her, whenever she needs you, she starts to take you for granted. You become predictable. And in the world of attraction, predictability kills excitement. It's natural to want to be there for her, but here's the truth. You should never lose your independence. When you're constantly available, it creates a power imbalance. She starts to feel like she can rely on you without any effort, and that takes the spark out of the relationship. What you should do. Start being less available, not to play games, but because you have your own life, passions, and goals. Let her see that you're a man who's busy and has things to do outside of her. It keeps the mystery alive and reminds her that she's not the only priority in your life. Number 2 mistake, over-complimenting her. Now this is the biggest mistake most men make. They think that showering her with compliments will make her feel loved and appreciated. But here's the catch. Too many compliments too early can actually turn her off. It's not that women don't like to feel beautiful. It's that when you over-compliment her, it starts to feel ingenuine. Women crave authenticity. Complimenting her constantly, especially early in the relationship, can make her think you're trying to win her over with words instead of showing her who you are. What you should do. Give compliments, but be selective. Compliment her on things that matter, like her ambition, her confidence, or how she makes you feel. Not just her physical appearance. Make your compliments about who she is as a person, and don't make them your go-to strategy to win her attention. Number 3. Mistake, not standing your ground. The third deadly mistake that kills attraction is not standing your ground. Here's the thing. Women respect strength. And strength isn't about being domineering or controlling. It's about standing firm in your values, your beliefs, and your boundaries. When you let her push your buttons or compromise your boundaries to please her, you lose your sense of self. You become predictable again, and that predictability kills the attraction. What you should do? Be assertive. Stand firm in what you believe and don't apologize for your values. Healthy boundaries are attractive. They show her that you're a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to make it clear. When you don't bend to every little whim, you make yourself more respectable and mysterious, which increases attraction. So to recap, mistake number 1, stop being too available and remember that mystery fuels attraction. Mistake number 2, stop over-complimenting her. Focus on authenticity instead of empty flattery. Mistake number 3, stand your ground and never compromise your values, just to keep the peace. These mistakes might seem small, but they erode the attraction over time. By shifting your approach, you not only keep her interested, but you also keep the relationship dynamic, healthy, and grounded in respect. Remember, attraction isn't about playing games or chasing validation. It's about being the best version of yourself and knowing when to take a step back to let her come to you. Now that you know these deadly mistakes, I want to hear from you. Have you caught yourself making any of these? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights that'll change the way you approach attraction.